Hi dear my friend, this is Elva from SINOMADA Heavy Industry Company. We are a trading company with over 14 years rich experience and cooperated with domestic factories such as ZOOMLION, XCMG and other famous brands in China. Today I'm at ZOOMLION Excavator Industry Park. Now I'd like to show you a crawler excavator, ZE550EK. ZE550EK is a 55 tons crawler excavator with strong power and reliable and precise hydraulic system, reliable and durable machine structure, durability design, optimization of truck rollers bring enhanced adaptability to harsh working conditions, comfortable and intelligent operation, convenient maintenance. All maintenance parts in centralized distribution are easily accessible, realizing one-stop maintenance to guarantee short maintenance times. Okay, now let me introduce the basic information of that excavator for you. Its operating weight is 55 tons and has 2.85 cubic meter bucket. The engine is CUMMINS and it can reach European 3 emission standard. Apart from crawler excavator, we also have other earth-moving machinery from smaller tons to heavy tons, such as wheel loader, wheel dozer, and wheel excavator. If you are interested in it, just feel free to contact me. I will give you the best price and support. Okay, that's for today's sharing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.